Hello everyone, this is Srimati Ashwini S, Assistant Professor of Mathematics. Let's study problems on Lagrange's method of undetermined multipliers with a single condition given. The first problem says, find the stationary value of u is equal to x square plus y square plus z square subject to the condition ax plus by plus cz is equal to p. Now let's write the given problem as follows. U of x comma y comma z is equal to x square plus y square plus z square as equation 1, and the condition as phi of x comma y comma z, that would be ax plus by plus cz minus p is equal to 0, which is equation 2. We will directly use a Lagrange's equation for maxima or minima condition. So by this I get dou u by dou x plus lambda into dou phi by dou x is equal to 0. You know dou u by dou x is 2x and dou phi by dou x is a. So when I substitute, I get 2x plus lambda a is equal to 0, which on simplification gives me x is equal to minus lambda a by 2. Similarly, dou u by dou y plus lambda into dou phi by dou y is equal to 0 would be 2y plus lambda b is equal to 0, or y is equal to minus lambda b by 2. I'll call this as equation 4. Finally, dou u by dou z plus lambda into dou phi by dou z is equal to 0 would give me 2z plus lambda c is equal to 0, which implies z is equal to minus lambda c by 2. I'll call this as equation 5. Now what we do is we substitute equation 3, 4 and 5 in equation 2. Do you remember what is equation 2? It is nothing but ax plus by plus cz minus p is equal to 0. So after simplification, I would be getting minus lambda by 2 into a square plus b square plus c square minus p is equal to 0. Let me take p to the other side. So I get lambda by 2 into a square plus b square plus c square is equal to minus p, or the value of lambda is minus 2p divided by a square plus b square plus c square. Next, what would we do is we would be substituting the value of lambda in equation 3, 4 and 5. What was x value? It was minus a by 2 lambda. Y was minus b by 2 lambda, and z was minus c by 2 lambda. Here I would be substituting the value of lambda in each of the equations. Therefore, the value of x becomes ap divided by a square plus b square plus c square. The value of y is bp by a square plus b square plus c square, and the value of c is cp divided by a square plus b square plus c square. Therefore, the critical value or stationary value of x, y, z are, here we would be substituting the values of x comma y comma z, which are ab by a square plus b square plus c square comma bp by a square b plus b square plus c square comma cp divided by a square plus b square plus c square. Now let's solve another problem which says, find the minimum or maximum value of u is equal to 8xyz subject to the condition x square by a square plus y square by b square plus z square by c square is equal to 1. Now let's solve this separately. We'll consider u of x comma y comma z to be 8xyz, call it as equation 1. Now I would be differentiating equation 1 partially with respect to x, y and z. Since it has 3 variables, when I partially differentiate with respect to one variable, the other remaining 2 variables would be constant, isn't it? So dou u by dou x would be 8yz, dou u by dou y would be 8zx, and dou u by dou z would be 8xy. Now let's write down the given condition as phi of x comma y comma z is x square by a square plus y square by b square plus z square by c square, that's equal to 1. This would be our equation 2. And then what are we supposed to do? I would be differentiating this equation also partially with respect to x, y and z. Remember, here a square, b square and c square are constants. So dou phi by dou x becomes 2x by a square, dou phi by dou y becomes 2y by b square, dou phi by dou z becomes 2z by c square. So next would be, we would be using Lagrange's equation for maxima or minima condition. And what is that? That is dou u by dou x plus lambda into dou phi by dou x is equal to 0. On substituting, I would be getting 8yz plus lambda into 2x by a square is equal to 0. I will be multiplying both sides by x and I get 8xyz plus lambda into 2x square by a square is equal to 0. We know from equation 1, 8xyz is nothing but u. Therefore, u plus 2 lambda into x square by a square is equal to 0. This is our equation 3. Similarly, dou u by dou y plus lambda into dou phi by dou y is equal to 0 would be solved. Here, we get 8zx plus lambda into 2y by b square is equal to 0. Excuse me. Let me multiply both the sides by y. I'll get 8xyz plus lambda into 2y square by b square is equal to 0. Again, 8xyz is equal to u from equation 1. Therefore, u plus 2 lambda into y square by b square is equal to 0. This is our equation 4. Finally, dou u by dou z plus lambda into dou phi by dou z is equal to 0 gives me 8xy plus lambda into 2z by c square is equal to 0. We already have 8y, so we need to multiply it by z so that I can use equation 1. So multiplying both sides by z, I would be getting 8xyz plus lambda into 2z square by c square is equal to 0. So this becomes u plus 2 lambda into z square by c square is equal to 0, which is our equation 5. Now what is our next condition? We would be adding 3, 4 and 5. So the first two term is equation 3 plus the next two term is equation 4 plus the next two term is equation 5. When you look into here, you know u plus u is 3u, and in the next terms we have 2 lambda common. When I take 2 lambda common, I get x square by a square plus y square by b square plus z square by c square is equal to 0. And the value of this is 1 from equation 2. Therefore, 3u is equal to minus 2 lambda, or lambda is equal to minus 3u by 2. Now, this lambda value will be substituted in equation 2, 3 and 4. 3, 4 and 5. Now, this is what equation 3 is, which is u plus 2 lambda into x square by a square is equal to 0. I substitute lambda is equal to minus 3u by 2. 2 and 2 gets cancelled. I get u minus 3u by x square by a square is equal to 0. U gets cancelled. I get x square is equal to a square by 3, or x is equal to a by root 3. The same way when I substitute in equation 4 and simplify, which involves 3 to 4 steps, same way you have to solve as you have solved for x. We would be getting y square is equal to b square by 3, or y is equal to b by root 3. The last equation would be u plus 2 lambda into z square by c square is equal to 0. Now lambda is minus 3u by 2, which on simplification would give me z square is equal to c square by 3, or z is equal to c divided by root 3. The critical points are a by root 3, b by root 3, c by root 3. U is maximum at this point. They've asked us to find the maximum value at a by root 3, b by root 3 and c by root 3. Remember, our question is 8xyz So we have to substitute the value of x, y, z here. So you have 8 into a by root 3 into b by root 3 into c by root 3. Hence, u maximum at a by root 3 comma b by root 3 comma c by root 3 is equal to 8abc by 3 root 3. Thank you, my dear students.